Let us discuss a topic on permutations and combinations. Permutation is nothing but arranging the things in order with selecting. Combination is nothing but selecting the things only, not in order. Here, for example, we can take the four alphabets A, B, C, D. Here, total alphabets are 4. In that, select the 3 letters in a set. In the combination and permutation, how we can arrange and how we can select. Selecting the things means only 3 letters are selecting. How we can write in order means ABC, BCD, ACD. That is the and ABD. How many? 4 in the combination. We are selecting the only letters only. In the permutation means when we can select the combination, in that we can write in order. ABC one order, ACA second order. Again, we can select the first place is B, BCA, BAC, interchange of the another 2, CAB and CBA. In each set, 6 ways are there in the permutation. In 4 ways, 4 6 are 24. Total ways in the permutation 24. Total ways in the combination only 4. That is the difference of the permutation and the combination. Why? Because in the permutation we write in the order. This is the fundamental principle of the arrangements in the 2 operations. Suppose, for example, the fundamental principle means we can take the one operation can be performed in small m ways, and the each in the first operation, each and every one, each of m ways performing the operation in n ways. What are the number of ways performing 2 operations together means m into n ways. For example, I am taking the one example. Suppose from roots, we are taking A to B, B to C. From the place of A to B, we can use the 4 roots. From B to C, we use the 3 roots. In how many ways we can reach to from A to C? That is nothing but how many ways we are using? 4 into 3, 12 ways. How we can get the 12 ways means here A to B, how many roots we are using? 1, 2, 3, 4 roots. And B to C, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we use the first root. From the first root, we reach from A to B. From B to C, we use the first root, second root, third root. In how many ways? First root to and B to C, 3 roots means in the 3 ways we are taking. In the second root, when we use the from A to B second root, again we can use the 3 roots from B to C. That is the 3 ways. From A to B, we use the third root. Again from B to C, we use the 3 roots also. In the third root also, we get the 3 ways. From A to B, we use the 4th root. From again B to C, we use the 3 roots. This is also 3 ways. How many? 4 roots having the 3 different roots. So 4 3s are 12 ways are there, number of ways. In the example, one more example, if we use the 10 buses running from A to B stations, a person use the 10 buses but from A to B, but what the bus he is using to from one place to another place, in the returning, he cannot use the same bus. In that case, how many ways are there? In a person uses from X to Y, he can use the 10 buses. He is going to only one bus only, but the same bus is not using means in the return, he can use the 9 buses. Why? Because what the bus he is using to from X to Y, the same bus is not means in the 10 buses, we can subtract 1. How many remaining are there? 9. So 10 into 9, 90 buses are there. In the same way, so many examples are there. Now we are going to discuss about the exercise problems. The first one is, two persons go in railway carriage where there are 6 vacant seats. In how many different ways can they seat themselves? Here, how many persons are there? 2 persons are there. How many seats are there? 6 seats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seats are there. Okay, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Or we can take seats means like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If one person sit here, one person can choose any one of the seat from the 6. How many ways he occupied on the seat are?
6.
6 ways. The first person can use in 6 ways. First person can use 6 ways. Okay, that is the one operation. The second operation is, one person is occupied from the 6, any one of the seat. How many are the vacant? 5 are vacant. In the 5 seats, second person can choose any one. So second person can use how many seats, how many ways? 5 ways. So what is the total? How many different ways can they seat themselves? Number of ways. 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. In how many ways can 2 prizes he awarded to 9 contestants, provided no contestant get both the prizes? How many are there? Prizes are 2. Contestants are 9. Suppose here 9 contestants are there. Nine contestants are there. In 9 contestants, first we can give first prize. First prize to any one of the 9 contestants. Any one of 9 contestants. How many ways are there in the first way, first operation?
9.
9 ways are there. The first prize. But what is the condition? No one get both the prizes. If one person is eliminated, remaining how many are there? 8. The second prize to any one of the remaining 8 contestants. How many ways are there? 8 ways. What are the number of ways?
9.
Number of ways equal to 9 into 8, that is 72 ways. Third question. There are 3 mathematics teachers. How many teachers are there? 3 mathematics teachers in a college. In which how many classes are there? 6 classes are there. Classes are 6. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That is nothing but we can take 6 classes in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first teacher can take one class means in how many ways the first teacher can select? First teacher can select any one of the class. From 6. How many ways? 6 ways. The second teacher, can select any one of the, first is over, it's over. The remaining, how many are there? 5 are there. Second teacher can select any one of the class from 5. So that is the 5 ways. Third teacher can select any one of the from 4 classes. So 4 ways. So number of ways, 6 into 5 into 4. 6 4 is a 30, 34 is a 120 ways. Fourth question. How many words with or without meaning of 3 distinct letters of the English alphabets are there? Here, number of English alphabets, how many are there? Number of English alphabets are 26. 26. In that, what is the 3 distinct letters? 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 distinct letters. That is, meaning is doesn't matter. Why? Because with or without meaning. In this, the first letter from the 26, we can select 26 ways. Why? Because A, B, C, D, up to 26 letters, we can choose only one letter. How many ways we can? 26 ways. In the second letter, in the 26, already one is used here. But here, what is the condition? Distinct letters. In the 26, one is used means remaining how many are there? 25. In the second place, we use the 25 ways. It's in the 25, one is used in the second place. What are the remaining 24? 24 are used in the third place. So that is the 3 distinct letters. So what are the number of ways? Total number of ways of words getting the 3 letters. That is equal to 26 into 25 into 24. 25, 24 25 4s are 100. It's 10. 25 2s are 50 plus 10. 60 into 26. So 0, 0, 6, 6 are 36. 3 is the carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. 15,600. Total number of letters are 15,600 ways we can arrange 3 letters of the words from the English alphabets. Fifth problem. How many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 such that 7 is in the units place? Number of digits in a number. Between 100 and 1000 equal to 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers means units, tens, hundreds. Here, 7 is in the units place. It is fixed. Only one way. It is a fixed. How many numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means already 0, it's over. We are using the digits only. Digits only means it's up to 9. Total, how many are there? 10 digits are there. Okay. In this, they didn't give the repetition without repetition. If they mentioned the without repetition, then we cannot use the same digit. If they didn't give means we can use repetition. Here, how many digits are there? 10 digits. In the 10 digits, 0 is not right in the hundreds place. When we can write 0 in the hundreds place, then it becomes the 2-digit number. So in the hundreds place, how many ways are there? Only 9 ways. In 10th place, we can use all digits. Total 10 ways we can use. So what are the number of ways? Number of ways equal to 9 into 10 into 1, that is 90 ways are there. Sixth problem. How many integers of 4 digits each can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, assuming no repetition? Number of digits are first here. What are the digits and number of digits? Number of digits are 5. Those are 0, 1, 3, 5, 6. In this 0 is there, that you can concentrate. Next, number of digits. Number of digits in a number. In a number. 4 digits. That is nothing but units, tens, hundreds, thousands. It's tens, hundreds, thousands. And here no repetition. Condition is no repetition. No repetition means first we can go through the thousands place. In the thousands place, how many digits we can use? Non-zero digits. 4 digits we can use. Okay. It's in 4 digits, we placed one number in the thousands place. How many remaining are there? From the 5, 1 is subtracted. Remaining how many are there? 4 digits we can arrange in the hundreds place. From the 4, we can subtract 1. Why? Because repetitions are not allowed. So remaining how many are there? 3 digits are there. From the 3, subtract one number. How many are there? 2 are there. Total 4 fours are. What are the number of ways? Number of ways equal to 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. 4 fours are 16. 16 threes are 48. 48 twos are 96. 96 ways we can arrange from the 5 digits to the 4-digit number. 7th problem. How many automobile license plates can be made if the inscription on each contains 2 different letters followed by 3 different digits? Here, 3 different digits means that is the 3-digit number, 2 alphabets, and 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Here alphabets means these 2 are alphabets. 3 digits means it's a hundreds place, it's a tens place, it's a units place. Total how many alphabets are there? Alphabets are 26. And here different letters. 26 can placed in one place. 26 ways we can placed in one place. In the second alphabet, 1 is placed in the first place means the remaining are 25 alphabets are right in the second place. Any one of the alphabet. So 25 ways we can write in the second place. And digits. Digits means 0 to 9. How many are there? 10 digits are there. In the 10, 3-digit number means in the hundreds place, we can use only non-zero numbers. Those are 9 numbers. In the 10, 1 is subtracted. The remaining how many are there? 9. 9 we can write in the tens place. Here 0 we can write it. Okay. In the 9, 1 is placed in the tens place means the remaining how many are there? 8 into 8. The product of this 9 9s are 81. 81 into 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 8s are 64. And 25 into 26. So 25 6 are 150. 15. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 50, 65. 65 into 648. So we can product it and write here. 650 and 648. We get the same answer. 8th problem. Find the number of ways of arranging 6 players. How many players are there? Number of players? 6. To throw a cricket ball so that the oldest player may not throw first. First throw person, second throw person, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. How many are there? 6. In the 6, only one person is the oldest person from the other 5. The first oldest person cannot allow to throw the first place. That is nothing but in this, we cannot allow the one oldest player means remaining how many are there? 5 players are there. In 5 ways, we can arrange in the first throw the first time. Okay, that is 5 ways. In the 6 players, one player is throw first means that is remaining are 5. In the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, we can allow the oldest player. So in the second, remaining ways are 5. Why? Because we use any one of the 5 players. So 5 ways. So from the 5, one is arranged in the second place. The remaining are 4 players in the third place, third ball. From the 1, so in the 4th place, 3 players are there. From the 5th place, 2 players are there. From the 6th place, 1 player are there. So 5 5s are 60, 25, 25 4s are 100. 100 3s are 300, 300 2s are 600. 600 is equal to number of ways to throw the ball, cricket ball, except the first throw with the oldest player. That is the condition. Oldest, if you can not consider the oldest player in the first place, you are taking the 6, it becomes the wrong. Okay.